Hello, my lovelies. It's Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics, here to talk to you a lot about all the new in by Terry. And there is a lot of amazing products that are really revolutionary. But before I start with revolutionary products, I'd like to say something that I think is important. And the important thought is our one true purpose in life is to be happy and to extend that happiness to others and the environment. And in point of fact, that is what we could consider a coherent mind. Somebody who knows precisely what it is they're here to do and the atmosphere and the culture that they project with true purpose in everything that they think, say, and do. So that being said, we're here to enjoy ourselves, and I'm starting with the Hyaluronic by Terry Foundation. The Hydra Foundation is amazing. I'm what you would call a medium beige, and my color is neutral. So I'm 400 medium neutral. I'm using the dual little brush, which is amazing. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use. The finish is a satin sheer finish, which is quite beautiful. This brush is unbelievable. Talk about a quick, easy finish and completely even, no hot spots from hot fingers. Perfect finish. It's buildable. It has an SPF 30 in it. It's treatment. Remember, hyaluronic acid is a magnet to water. So how clever we put that into our foundation. I love that. That being said, Terry has just launched her new Hyaluronic Hydra Concealer. We've been waiting for it. So the guide is, if you're color 400 in the foundation, you'll be color 300 in the concealer. Just take it down a number. Press. Again, I will use my little brush because I'm going to use that as an applicator. Right. And a wee blend. Notice it's like a little tapping action. Simple as that. Quite lovely, actually. It feels divine. And all the products have got such a lovely feel and such a beautiful natural fragrance because it's all rose stem cells, etc., that allow for that. It's nice to put a little by the nose. That's our concealing done. I must say, this is the first time I actually try the concealer, and I'm sold. Because previously, I think I was using a Touche Veloutée, and that actually was very similar to the Touche Éclat from Yves Saint Laurent. And this is streets ahead, so really feel confident in that. Everybody loves, and it's a bestseller all over the world, the Brightening CC serums. This is the type that you get in your box. I'm using our tester, and I'm using the apricot blush. I'm wanting a type of vitamin sheen. You know, I don't want to be too dark. So the Sunny Flash is not that it's dark. It's just that I'm going for a wee bit more of a romantic look. So effectively, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my cheekbone area. And I'm going to, that's so lovely. I'm going to draw a column of light down the center of my face. I want to lighten my chin area. Lovely. So I did have a wee bit of makeup on, but I just spruced it up. So light, so perfect, beautiful. The light reflection is incredible, and I'm under quite harsh lights. I don't have like color correcting lights around me at the moment. I'm in store, and this is how it looks, and I'm very, very happy with that. And then this is essential. I can't tell you how I'd love you all to have one. This is the first time I ever use one. It's the new Brightening CC palette that she launched, and it's limited edition. Look how beautiful the compact is. And inside, all 4 of the Brightening CC colors that were available in serum are available in the palette. So what's great is, again, we've got everything with Terry is treatment. So we've got light reflecting qualities to a huge degree, optical prisms that are going to reflect light beautifully. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a type of mélange à vitamine, okay? I'm going to do a vitamin mix. So I'm going to start with the lightest, pull in the peachy, pull in the pink. I went light, peachy, no, I went light, brown, peachy, pink. It's almost like Japanese type makeup, where you're putting a lot of vitamin color all down the center of the face, here on the cheek area. That I love. From there, remember that's all of them, but because I ended with the more of the pinky one, I'm getting more of that pinky effect. The highlighter. I fancy that. Okay, so that's a must, and you play with it. I mean, it's gorgeous. The new palette called Mon Amour palette, so aptly put. Look at all those colors. 10 shades, 5 are matte, 5 are metallic. And I'm just going to spruce up my look a little bit. I'm going to use a little bullet brush. So to start, I'm going to use a little bit of a shimmer of the lighter one in the center under the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3. By the way, it does come with a lovely two-sided brush, but I'm using Terry's little bullet brush. Lovely. Going for a smaller brush now. I'm going to go with, because I've got a bit of a pinky look, going with a pinky metallic into the corner, into the arch, pulling it in. What's nice is my little bit of eyeliner is blending in almost like a smoky eye. I quite fancy that. And then I think I'm in the mood for a wee bit of this darker taupe. Just on the outside. Pulling it in. Opening up the eye. Looking rather nice. Hope you like it. Lastly, I am a great advocate for liquid liner. It's so neat and tidy. I've spoken to you about Talika's one, which is I adore, and it grows your lashes. But I'll tell you this, Linear Black Star by Terry is super black, super easy to use. I work on the upper eyelash line and then pull it. Sometimes just use my finger to pull it straight. Here's it. Yeah, and I'm being this all about my glasses, but anyway, memory. Lovely. Well, I can't tell you how much I love it. So it's Hyaluronic Hydro Foundation. I'm 400 in, medium. It is the new Hyaluronic Hydro Concealer. I'm 300. It is the Apricot CC serum. It's too beautiful. It gives you that almost like fresh, youthful glow look without, and it's a no makeup look. It's incredible. That beautiful glowy look, like you've just been kissed. You're in love. After all, we are all in love. We should be in love with everyone and everything and life itself. The beautiful CC palette of 4 colors in there. And this most remarkable VIP palette, Mon Amour. I mean, look at those colors. Sensational. And the Linear Black Star, which I just showed you. And of course, lashes of Terry's Lash Expert. Lengthening brush, volumizing brush. Let's go volume. Not waste any time. Right. And the bottom. I like it. Lovely being with you. I've missed you. And you're going to be seeing a lot more of me. So lots of love. And remember, be happy and extend that happiness to everyone and the environment. Bye for now.